almost 70% of the hotels and homestays doesn't operate in Ladakh during the November of first week. Right now it's around 2nd or 3rd the date is November first week. So now we are at Nubra. This is the hotel we stayed. It's a real Siachen. It's just a basic hotel. They charge 1,500 rupees per night with breakfast. Now we'll be heading to Handar. अभी हंडर ही जा रहे हैं ना? हंडर जा रहे हैं ना अभी? हंडर के बाद कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Siachen base camp जाएंगे ना? Yeah, after Handar we will be going to Siachen base camp. उसके बाद समर जाएंगे ना?
समर जाएंगे।
हाँ।
समर में हम नाइट स्टे करेंगे।
Okay. Then after that we'll be staying in the summer night stay. Then next day we'll be heading to Pangong. Pangong जाएंगे ना? Pangong जाएंगे. And here in bathrooms and all you won't get tap water. You can just get the hot water from the bucket because the tap waters get freezes. So you can't use that in the winter. So they provide those things and all. So you no need to worry about that. Now we'll get to Handar. Then I will show you the view of that. There we can do double hump camel ride is there. Then karting is there. Karting is there, no?
Yeah, karting is this side.
This side. One more is there. Which one?
Go karting. ATV ride.
ATV. And one ATV ride is there. We'll show you those things over there. We are at sand dunes. It's Handar sand dunes. It's 7 kilometers from Nubra. You can see there all the double M camels have been kept there. We'll go there now. How much they are charging, I don't know. I'll just inquire there itself. कौन है इधर? उधर क्या? उधर? किधर? हाँ?
बैठने क्या?
हाँ.
300 रुपये सर पर हेड।
बात किधर करना है?
हाँ इधर कर। कितने हेड सर पर हेड? 300 रुपये पर एक कीमत।
कितना लेते हैं?
300 रुपये सर पर हेड।
पर हेड 300 क्या? कहाँ तक ले जाएंगे?
वो आगे रेड फ्लैग लगा हुआ है पॉइंट।
कहाँ पे?
जड़ी में।
हाँ.
यहाँ से जाके घूम जो तो फोटो लगी तो पर।
कितना मिनट लगेगा टोटल?
तकरीबन 15 मिनट लगेगा।
15 मिनट क्या? ठीक है तो 2 कर दीजिए। 4 लोग हैं। बच्चे का भी क्या?
छोटा बच्चा हो तो साथ में, बड़ा हो तो नहीं होता। 2-2.5 साल का बच्चा साथ में जाता
है। अच्छा अच्छा, नहीं आई मीन एक 5-6 साल का हो तो
फिर तो इसमें नहीं है, देखो इसमें जगह ही नहीं है।
ओह, तो अलग अलग ही जाना ना?
अलग अलग।
अच्छा ठीक है।
आओ चलो ठीक बोलो है ना वहाँ
वो कैसे ऐसे इधर ही, मतलब कैसे ऐसे इधर के बाकी जगह अगर इसको बाहर ऐसे लेके जाए तो सेट नहीं होता?
सर जी एक ज़माने में मंगोलिया से लाया बोल रहा है। ये मंगोलिया से।
अच्छा इधर आया क्या? हाँ अच्छा अच्छा, इधर ही।
जंगीर खान का।
हाँ हाँ अच्छा हाँ हाँ, तो पूरा इंडिया में इधर ही है बस। अच्छा
ये पकड़ना है,
इसको
इधर इधर भी पकड़ो।
ओके। चले चले, हमको उठाइए पहले। आगे धक्का दे, आगे से धक्का दे रहा है।
वो तुम दो डंडा दे।
Here ATV ride is closed. It seems some issue is there, so no ATV ride here. So only bacterian double arm camel ride is here. ATV and go-karting we'll do in another place. I'll show you that. Till here it's 15 minutes. They charge you 300, and if you want to go for another 15 minutes, they will take you till that side. For that, they will charge you 500 flat. That is 500 from the street, from where we started. From there, they charge 500. So now let's go to that place and we'll see how it is. Chale, chale.
Yeah. Yeah.
आपने पहले 450 बोला था, फिर 500 कर दिया। इतना महंगा क्यों है? Second flag has come. Now from here again back to the base. It seems if you want you can go from here to more half an hour. उसका कितना लेते हो आगे जाने के लिए? और आधा घंटा का?
आधा घंटे तो ये हो गया नहीं।
हाँ नहीं आगे आगे
1 घंटे का
800 रुपये लेते हैं क्या? Yeah, from here total 1 hour if you need miss 800 rupees they charge. But we are not going till here, we are just returning back. ठीक है भाई चलते हैं.
बॉडी पीछे चल 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 चल
कितना है? 2000 क्या? इस जगह का आने के लिए क्या लोकेशन बोलना है? सैंड ड्यून्स. तो कैमल रेस सिर्फ इधर ही है और किधर भी नहीं है? वो आजू बाजू कहीं भी नहीं है, सिर्फ यही एक लोकेशन है, यही है. अच्छा 100 सैंड ड्यून्स बोलते इधर ही आना है बस. ठीक है, ओके. कर रही हो. This is the Bagh Milka Bagh film making point. Here only the shooting was done, and ATV ride is also here. I'll show you the board. ATV ride on the world's highest sand dunes, Khalsar and Nubra, 10,500 feet. This is the location for doing the ATV ride. They charge 1,000 rupees per person. A guide will be coming with the bike. You can drive the bike. Here even zipline is there. They are charging 3,000 per head. You can see that rope is going. See, it's quite big one, I think. We are running out of time, so we are not doing your activities. We need to reach Siachen base camp as early as possible. So we are heading now there only. This is the way to go to Siachen base camp, but it's closed. I wonder how the ministry has said officially it's open. They are not allowing it. We are not able to go. From here you need to go for more 40 kilometers to reach the base camp. They are not allowing. Even they are saying if you come in a group of 15 members, in the morning you have to reach here. They might allow you. if you're a group of 15 members, that too they will call the command, high command. If they allow, then you can go from here. That's what they are saying, but it's not confirmed yet. So Siachen base camp, we can't go further from here. Now returning back to Sumar. Chale. Now we have come to medicated hot spring bathroom. It's in Panamic hot spring. Let's see. Here one kitchen is there. Here you can bath. The water is very hot. I will just show you one more place. You can see here. Oof, it's very hot. This is butter tea. Locally they call it as gurgur chai. This you should drink when you're visiting Ladakh in winter because this keeps your lips as well as your skin moisturized. And this is local cuisine gambir with jam. It's made of wheat. Even this is also one of the best recipe. You should try it here. Taste is not so good, but definitely you should have this. This gambir you can have it with jam as well as curd also. This is very good. And lake is freeze here, you can see.